However, there is a development according to sources, what we are learning in central agencies who are closely monitoring the investigation probe that is being conducted by the Punjab police and assisting them in investigation in the hand grenade attack at the BJP leader's residence in Jalandhar. One name that is now emerged prominently is that of Happy Singh Pasia. Now, Happy Singh Pasia is said to be associated with BKI and is hiding currently in the US and works closely also with the ISI. Some reports say that he was spotted in Germany as well. And now when it comes to the investigation that is now being carried out, there is an allegation that of possible terror funding and the links and radicalizing of recruiting young youth and individuals from Punjab and across different areas. There may be a possible hand, Bhavtosh, as what we are getting to know of possible hand of this K Park as far as who is this individual Pasia is concerned and what may be the possible or potential role behind this attack at the BJP leader's house.
Well, Amita, just few months back, NIA had issued a reward of 5 lakh rupees for anyone providing information about Happy Singh Pasia. Happy Singh Pasia is associated with Babar Khalsa International. He is someone whose role in at least 14 attacks on police station or important establishment, hand grenade attacks has been established. He is someone who rose prominently in terror network in Punjab. He's just 27-year-old. He's 5 feet 7 inches, and his dossier mentions from petty crimes he subsequently shifted towards terror activities. He has his mother has 2 children, one daughter and other one is Happy Pasia. And Happy Pasia started with petty crimes but subsequently joined terror network. He worked with Harvinder Rinda, who is the Babar Khalsa International chief. In the 14 attacks, grenade attacks that have taken place in Punjab, his role has been established by intelligence agencies. Now, what we have gathered is that his role and subsequent links with all the grenade attacks that have taken place prominently shows that he's someone who is working with gangsters also. Remember, there are several gangsters who have morphed into terrorists in Punjab. They have all been slapped with UAPA sections. Now, when the attack took place in Chandigarh, in one of the cases, Happy Pasia was also in fact booked under UAPA.
So possible links there indicating as far as possible or potential K Park link that is now coming across with the investigation that is now being conducted by Punjab Police and the central agencies that are said to be assisting them in the investigation. Thank you very much for the moment, Bhavtosh, for joining in. We head into a quick break. You're watching Times Now.